Shout out to all my crypto goons. Just a couple hours ago, Bitcoin just hit $80,000. So if you see here on the chart, we hit 80 and we had a slight pullback. Now, why is this happening? Obviously, we know that the sentiment in the market has changed because of the Trump election and his future presidency next year. But also, Forbes just dropped an article that talks about how a leak from BlackRock doubling down on Bitcoin. Now, we all know that we can see people's wallets and, these hedge funds wallets. So I don't know why they call it a leak when you can obviously see the transactions if you want to search for it. But let's hop into this article really quick. And it says Bitcoin and crypto prices have surged this week as traders cheer Donald Trump's decisive U.S. election victory, putting $100,000 Bitcoin price in view. The Bitcoin price has climbed through 2024 on the back of Trump's embrace of Bitcoin, as well as expectations of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts and China's stimulus measures and Wall Street adoption. Now, as markets brace for a Trump game changer, a leak has revealed the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is in discussions to buy a stake in the king of spot Bitcoin exchange-funded ETF holders. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager that's in the middle of a multi-stage plan to digitize Wall Street with crypto and blockchain, is in discussions to buy a small equity stake in $70 billion alternative asset manager Millennium, a hedge fund described as the king of Bitcoin ETF holders, according to a Financial Times report citing anonymous sources. Earlier this year, Millennium was revealed to hold nearly $2 billion in spot Bitcoin ETFs as of the first quarter of 2024, with almost $2 billion across 5 spot Bitcoin ETFs, led by a near $800 million stake in BlackRock's IBIT Bitcoin fund. Last month, BlackRock chief executive Larry Fink outlined his plan for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto during BlackRock's third quarter earnings call, predicting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto will overlay with artificial intelligence. We believe Bitcoin is asset class in itself is an alternative to other commodities like gold, Fink, who last year led the charge on Wall Street to bring fully fledged spot Bitcoin ETFs to U.S. markets. The arrival of a fleet of spot Bitcoin ETFs on Wall Street this year was the first step in Fink-branded digital revolution when he revealed his crypto ambitions for BlackRock, which includes a blockchain-based alternative to the U.S. dollar. On Thursday, BlackRock's IBIT saw a record net inflows with $1 billion flowing into Bitcoin fund, blowing its previous record, set in late October of almost $900 million out of the water. We expect continued inflows into both exchanges and ETFs, leading to increased market volatility and potential spillover effects into other crypto investment funds, Caroline Bowler, chief executive, Bitcoin Markets, said in emailed comments pointing to Bitcoin Markets' 300% increase in user logins this week. This could drive broader liquidity and trading volume. There is also a significant risk of a feedback loop where rising ETF inflows push Bitcoin's price higher, attracting more capital. Overall, this surge in interest suggests that Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a core investment asset rather than a speculative play, potentially marking the beginning of a sustained period of heightened activity in the crypto market. So with that said, this is the reason why we're seeing the boost of interest and liquidity and pricing in Bitcoin is because you have these funds that are pouring billions of dollars into these Bitcoin ETFs. And in addition to that, Bitcoin is trending. So you have a lot of people, just regular traders all around the world that are, or regular investors all around the world that are, again, pouring more money into Bitcoin. So with that being said, we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to drop videos and update you all every day as the next 4 years in crypto are going to be, the golden years, right? We're going to have another bull run, obviously, because the change in political climate favors cryptocurrency. So make sure all our crypto goons keep it locked, and we're going to keep this thing going. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.